I'm Chef Amber Rell, and today we are talking scones. What's better than baking for someone or someone's at breakfast time? I mean, they're quick, they're easy, they're delicious, and you can make the dough ahead, freeze it, and just whip it out of the freezer into the oven, and boom, sconage. So I have 3 cups of flour in my food processor. I'm putting in 1 cup of sugar, about a teaspoon or so, or a good healthy pinch of salt. I have a tablespoon of baking powder. We do our little scoop and sweep method in there, no lumps. There we go. And I'm just gonna put this all together, pulse, pulse, pulse. All right, so we really wanna get everybody mixed together. Once we do, we're gonna add in a stick and a half of cold butter cut into about pea-sized pieces. Get everybody in there. And we pulse, pulse, pulse until we get to what I like to call the Parmesan cheese stage, till it looks like grated cheese. There we go, it's looking a little cheesy to me. And then we add in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream and pulse, pulse, pulse again. We're looking for kind of like a gravelly, pebbly consistency. Take a look, ooh. So we want to see this guy hold itself together. I'm gonna pulse it 1 or 2 more times, and then I think we're doing great. All right, once you can squeeze it together and it holds its shape like that, it's good. You really don't wanna overwork this dough. Turn your dough out on your counter. Oh, yeah, baby. So you're looking for like this gravelly, pebbly consistency. That's exactly what we want. Get everybody out of there. So I have some dried cherries and walnuts. If you want to use any other kind of dried fruit, go ahead. Like apricots work well, raisins, golden raisins, whatever kind of scones you want to make, knock yourself out. So we sprinkle those on right on top of there, and we kind of just squeeze everybody together. We just bring this dough together. But you really want to make sure that you're just squeezing it and not kneading it. We don't want to knead it. All right, once you bring it all together, form it into a rough disc. We're gonna cut these into the classic sort of triangle teardroppy scone shape. Oh yeah. Now, here we go. If you wanna make big scones, you can cut them in 6s, or you can cut them in 8s or 10s. It's up to you. Then I like to just kind of really sort of round out the edges and make these guys into these cute little shapes like that. There we go. Now I'm going to top them with a little turbinado sugar, or sugar in the raw. I'm baking these guys on a silicone mat. If you don't have one, parchment paper works just as well. Then we pop them into a preheated oven, 375 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes. I'll see you in 16 to 18 minutes, my little cuties. So my beautiful little sconages have come out of the oven, and I'm gonna serve them warm, but I'm really gonna go all out here and make some homemade butter to go with it. Butter, it's just heavy cream. So I have a cup and a half of heavy cream. I'm going to do the zest of 1 orange. So it's orange honey butter. Hi, orange honey butter. 1/4 cup of honey. Bing, yum. And I'm just gonna beat it. Beat it until it's stiff. Look at that, a beautiful homemade whipped honey orange butter to go on my warm scones. How much of a rock star am I this weekend? Oh, I'm digging in right now. I can't not. That's all I can say. Delicious. Happy Sunday.